When sketching on the face of a part, you can now select the Disable Imprinting checkbox to prevent the imprinting of a selected sketch plane face into the new sketch. In this example, when the Disable Imprinting box is left unchecked, the cycles on the face of a part are included in the new sketch. The cycles are imprinted into Sketch 2. This means that if you want to extrude the entire rectangle here, you would have to manually pick each region independently. Now, when the Disable Imprinting box is checked, the cycles are no longer imprinted into the new sketch. The rectangle is not broken into multiple regions and can be selected in one go. This new option helps you to define your design intent better and makes your models more robust when the underlying part face changes.
Tired of having to type in the same fillet or chamfer value over and over again? Well, guess what? We have the cure for you. Now Onshape will remember the last values for radius and distance for those fillet and chamfers. On the drawing side, we have two quick updates to report. First, because some organizations prefer to use employees' initials in title blocks rather than their full names, we've added an ability to customize the display with the new documentation name property. This property will take priority over the user's nickname if filled out. And you can now edit the drawing tab name directly in the Create Drawing dialog, saving you from having to go back and change it later. When a URL is added to a comment, it's now automatically changed to a hyperlink. This makes it faster and easier to communicate and interact with these sites. Thanks for watching. Make sure to see the forum post linked in the description for additional update details, like our improved help documentation, support for JT file export, and not to mention brand new feature script options to flip orientation.